this is one of the things I love about coming out in the garden, being able to pick, the herbs, and I haven't got that many. I've got some, what have I got growing at the moment? I've got some papaya growing, and I'm fighting to keep those, fighting with the snails and the slugs. But yeah, just to be able to, I've got moringa here, I've got broadleaf thyme, I've got lemongrass, and I've got, Cole, come on, come on. I've got some oregano. I had some, what do you call it? Pomegranate tea this morning. It was lovely. What else have I got? My lemon balm died. But I've got some oregano here. There we go. There we go. So I'm just going to pick a few of those. These are looking a little bit sad. But I'm cooking fish, and I just want all the flavour. I just want all the flavour that I can get. My basil, look, it's all set seed, and I think what I need to do is cut what do you call it, cut these seed heads off so that the plant can grow again. I think that's what I have to do. I've never grown it before. I've never grown basil before, so to grow them so big and to be able to harvest from them, yeah, I think that's what I'll probably need to do. And I won't need, what I probably won't do the next time is to allow them to go to seed, because I've got enough. So, and this is the spiced basil. So all I can do is just get, some of the leaves that are growing, pick them off, come round here, pick them off. That's my Pride of Barbados there. I thought it was going to die, but it's growing. Alright, so I think I've got enough there. What I'll do is I'll probably make some more pomegranate tea, and all I need to do is get the leaves, and it tasted like green tea. See, this is Cole's doing. He took it off one of my seed containers. I had seeds in there, so I'll have to go around and clear up after him, because he sees it all as a big game. So all I'm doing is picking off some leaves here, and I'm just going to make, like a herbal tea with it. And I'll probably put some of the lemongrass. The lemongrass I was going to use for the fish that I'm doing. I've got some bangameri. So there we go. And it's come on, Cole. And it's, as I said, it's great to be able to, this is my other oregano. Does it look a bit dusty? It does, doesn't it? I think it was probably the rain that, because it rained quite a bit today. Yeah, so that's it. I haven't got any vegetables growing, but I can utilize this and have a nice cup of pomegranate and lemongrass tea. So, what are you growing? Take care for now. See you soon.